That will be his ruhaniyah and quwwah. I think we should, people before they make statements, they should understand that the appearance of Imam Mahdi is still far away. Still far away. And those that say that they met Imam al-Mahdi, and they made some, I also received an email to say, urging me to go and join the army of Imam al-Mahdi, because he's around, he's been met, the people met him and he was making tawaf and they recognized him. It's not the time for Imam al-Mahdi to come now. The great Mujaddid ala Hazrat Imam Ahmad Raza radiyallahu ta'ala and has given some signs, and he's given some sort of idea about the appearance of Imam al-Mahdi radiyallahu ta'ala through the most occult of sciences, Ilmul Jafar, and he had calculated he made some calculation. If you buy Al-Malfuz, the anecdotes of Allah Hazrat Imam Ahmad Raza, you will find it inside there. However, my advice is that Imam al-Mahdi, the appearance of Imam al-Mahdi is still far away. It's still far away. Has not appeared as yet, and people are a bit confused in this matter. Right? There's one person that already made a public statement some years back that Imam al-Mahdi is born. He's born, and he will be zahir. He'll be exposed in the year 2000. Oh, 2000 is gone. Still no sign of Imam al-Mahdi. It's 2009 years have gone. You must be very careful when you speak about these are now mystical dimensions of Islam, and these are realities and predictions of the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam states, he tells the ummah, and he's telling us as well, Qiyamah will be very difficult. The sun will be a couple of meters above your head. People will be drowning in their own sweat. Some people's brain will be bubbling with the heat of the sun inside the scalp. People's tongues will hang out to the ground in the severity of the thirst. Such will be the situation. There will be no help. You know what he says? Inna maw'idakumul hawdu. When you want to meet me on that day, you find me at the fountain of Kawthar. Look for me there. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, look for me there. Where? And the fountain of Kawthar. I will be there. He's telling you, look for him there. So what you got to do in Qiyamah? If you got Iman, look for the Hawd. You'll find him there. Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you'll find me in 3 places in the day of Qiyamah. One place you will find me where the scale of justice is, where your amal will be weighed. Look for me there. I'll be standing there making dua. If my ummah's bad deeds and sins will be more than his good deeds, I'll be standing making dua, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive his sins. One place. 3 strategic places you must meet me. The second one, I'll be distributing the water of Kawthar at the fountain of Kawthar. And the third place, I'll be standing by the Pul Sirat, the bridge, dividing bridge. If you fall from that bridge, you fall in the fire of hell. If you cross it, you in Jannah. I'll be standing there when my ummah will be walking. I say, Ya Allah, Rabbi habli ummati, Sallim sallim ya Rabb. Let my ummah go past this bridge very safely. Don't let him drop. I'll be standing there. Then when Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Habib says, he says, Inni la anzura ilayhi ana fi maqami. I am looking at, he's telling the Sahaba at that time in Madina Munawwara or Makkah Mukarramah, wherever this hadith has been narrated by the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he say, from here I'm speaking to you about Kawthar, and I am standing and watching it as if I'm standing right next to it. So he has to be haazir and naazir for this. He's not just telling you find me there. He said the place I'm standing on, from here I'm watching it, watching the fountain of Kawthar as if I am standing at it, standing by it. I will be giving the water to the thirsty ummah, my beloved ummah. I will be giving water there. So inshallah tabarak wa ta'ala, next week if Allah wills, by the command of Allah and by the mercy of Allah and the karam of His Habib sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we will continue from where we have left. And I think the next session will be the last and final session on this subject, and then we will choose another subject of your choice. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq and hidayah. Allahumma rabbana taqabbal minna wa taqabbal hadha al-majlis al-mubarak ya rabbana ya arhamar rahimin. Allahumma ighfir lana dhunubana wa kaffir 'anna sayyi'atina wa tawaffana ma'al abrar. Allahumma arzuqna hubbaka wa hubba habibika wa hubba man yuhibbuk wa hubba awliyaika wa haqqi wal ladhina amanu ashaddu hubban lillah. Allahumma arzuqna tawfiqan wa hidayatan wa quwwatan li ibadatika wa ma'rifatika ya Allah ya Allah ya Allah ya arhamar rahimin. Allahumma ارحم أمة سيدنا محمد صلى الله. اللهم أصلح أمة سيدنا محمد صلى الله. اللهم فرج عن أمة سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. إلهي نجنا من كل هم وغم بجاه المصطفى مولى الجميع، وهب لنا في مدينته قرارا بإيمان ودفن بالبقي إلى شرف النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. الفاتحة. إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما. اللهم صل على سيدنا مولانا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد. أحرق القلوب بعشق لقاء جمال حبيبك سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وبارك وسلم. يا ربي بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرم. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون. سلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.